Activity 1.5 Class 10 Science. Summary. The heating of ferrous sulfate crystals leads to the loss of water of crystallization and the turning of pale green to white crystals. On further heating, ferrous sulfate decomposes into a brown residue of ferric oxide, sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide gases that cause a pungent smell. Aim of the activity. The aim is to observe the changes that occur when ferrous sulfate crystals are heated and to study the chemical reaction. Material used in the activity. 1. Ferrous sulfate crystals. 2. Dry boiling tube. 3. Spirit lamp. 4. Test tube holder. 5. Goggles. Procedure. We will put about 2 grams of ferrous sulfate crystals in a dry boiling tube. Hold the boiling tube with a test tube holder and heat it gently over the flame of the spirit lamp. Observation. Before heating, the ferrous sulfate crystals are pale green. During heating, ferrous sulfate crystals have water of crystallization that evaporates during heating, so the crystals turn white. After heating, after continuous heating, the final residue is brown ferric oxide, Fe2O3, and a pungent smell indicates the evolution of gases. These gases are sulfur dioxide, SO2, and sulfur trioxide, SO3. Explanation. Step 1. Loss of water of crystallization. When ferrous sulfate is heated, the water of crystallization evaporates. Due to water loss of crystallization, the pale green crystals turn white. Step 2. Thermal decomposition. Now on continuous heating, dry ferrous sulfate, FeSO4, crystals decompose into ferric oxide, sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. A pungent smell is observed due to these gases. Conclusion. In this activity, ferrous sulfate crystals lose their water crystallization and on further heating decompose into ferric oxide, sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide gases. This is a thermal decomposition reaction. Frequently asked question. 1. What type of chemical reaction takes place in this activity? Ans. Thermal decomposition reaction. 2. What is the color of ferrous sulfate crystals? Ans. Pale green. 3. What is the color of ferrous sulfate crystals when they are heated? Ans. White. 4. What is the final residue of this chemical reaction? Ans. Ferric oxide in the solid form and SO2 and SO3 are gases. 5. What is the smell of the gases that evolved during the reaction? Ans. The gases have a pungent smell that is suffocating. 6. What is the color of ferric oxide? Ans. Bourbon. 7. What is thermal decomposition? Ans. The chemical reactions in which a single substance breaks down when they are heated. So energy in the form of heat is required. Important extra points. 1. The reaction in the activity is thermal decomposition and dehydration of hydrated ferrous sulfate crystals. 2. This reaction is used in the production of ferric oxide. 3. Sulfur dioxide is a pollutant and causes acid rain. 4. Ferric oxide is used in the manufacturing of pigments. Safety precautions. 1. Always wear safety goggles and gloves. 2. Ensure proper ventilation. 3. Keep your nose away from the gases as these gases are toxic and suffocating. Multiple choice questions. 1. What is the color of ferrous sulfate crystals before heating? A. White. B. Pale green. C. Brown. D. Black. Correct answer B. Pale green. 2. What type of chemical reaction takes place when ferrous sulfate is heated? A. Combination reaction. B. Decomposition reaction. C. Displacement reaction. D. Neutralization reaction. Correct answer B. Decomposition reaction. 3. What is the final color of the residue left in this activity? A. Black. B. Brown. C. Green. D. Yellow. Correct answer B. Bourbon. 4. Why do ferrous sulfate crystals lose their green color on heating? A. Due to loss of hydrogen. B. Due to loss of water of crystallization. C. Due to decomposition of ferrous sulfate. D. Due to loss of water of crystallization. Correct answer B. Due to loss of water of crystallization. 5. What is the residue formed after the decomposition of ferrous sulfate? A. Ferric oxide. B. Ferric sulfate. C. Ferrous chloride. D. Iron metal. Correct answer A. Ferric oxide. 6. What is the smell of the gases that evolved during this activity? A. Odorless. B. Sweet. C. Pungent. D. Fruity. Correct answer C. Pungent. 7. What happens to the water of crystallization? A. Gets decomposed. B. Gets evaporate. C. Remains in compound. D. None of them. Correct answer B. 8. What type of salt is ferrous sulfate before heating? A. Anhydrous salt. B. Hydrated salt. C. Basic salt. D. Acidic salt. Correct answer B. Hydrated salt. 9. What is the main use of ferric oxide? A. Cleaning agent. B. Pigment in paints. C. Fertilizer. D. Antiseptic. Correct answer B. Pigment in paints. 10. What is the effect on the environment of sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide gases? A. Acid rain. B. Global warming. C. Ozone depletion. D. Deforestation. Correct answer A. Acid rain. 11. What is the nature of sulfur dioxide gas? A. Acidic. B. Basic. C. Neutral. D. Amphoteric. Correct answer A. Acidic.